I told you, these cookies are healthier, just as delicious, and come with a holiday hack that'll save you time and stress this season. Stick around because I'm spilling all the secrets and showing you how to make these amazing chocolate chip cookies with a twist. Oh, and did I mention there's tofu in these cookies? Yup, you heard me right. Let's get cooking. Before we jump in, let me tell you why these ingredients are a step up from your classic cookie recipe. Did you know smart balance instead of butter reduces saturated fats and supports heart health thanks to its plant-based oils? Silken tofu instead of eggs is packed with plant-based protein and 0 cholesterol, making a heart-healthy alternative. Organic cane sugar instead of white sugar is less processed and retains more natural minerals like calcium and potassium. We have options for our chocolate chip. I like semi-sweet chocolate chips, or you can do the Rice Milk Morsels, which is a dairy-free milk chocolate style made in a dedicated nut-free and gluten-free facility. This is a great option for those with nut and gluten sensitivity. If you want to make it even healthier, you can get Carob chips. Carob chips provide a caffeine-free, naturally sweeter, high-fiber alternative that is also lower in fat. You will probably have to go to a dedicated health food store. The Whole Foods near me did not have Carob chips. So basically, you're making better cookies and better choices for your body. Win-win. Now, let's bake some cookies that taste as good as they make you feel. First things first, preheat your oven at 325 Fahrenheit and line your baking sheet with parchment paper. This step is key because no one likes cookies stuck to the tray. In a separate bowl, sift together your dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, and salt. Think of this as a mini workout that makes your cookies fluffier and your arms stronger. Next, we're creaming together the melted smart balance, brown sugar, and organic cane sugar. Now, this is where the magic begins. The smell of brown sugar and butter is basically happiness in a bowl. In goes your vanilla. And the secret weapon of this recipe, silken tofu. It keeps the cookies soft, moist, and sneaks in some extra protein. You won't even taste it, I promise you. Now, we combine the wet and dry ingredients. Mix until everything is just blended. Don't overdo it. We want soft cookies, not cookie bricks. And finally, the best part, 2 cups of chocolate chips. Be generous because chocolate is the love language we all speak. Grab your cookie scooper and place the dough on the baking sheet, spacing them about 3 inches apart. Give these cookies room to shine. Now, pop them in the oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. Pro tip, keep an eye on them. You want lightly toasted edges and gooey centers. And voila! Look at these beauties. Let them cool for a few minutes if you can wait that long before diving in. But wait, here's the holiday hack that'll make you the MVP of cookie season. If you want to prep ahead or have cookies on hand for unexpected guests, here's what you do. Scoop your cookie dough onto a tray. Freeze it for 1 hour. Then transfer the frozen dough into a labeled freezer bag. When you're ready to bake, just pop them in the oven straight from the freezer. Add 1 extra minute to bake to the baking time. and you're golden. And if you want to spread some holiday cheer, these cookies make the perfect gift for coworkers, friends, or anyone who loves a good homemade treat. And there you have it, healthier chocolate chip cookies with a holiday twist. These are delicious, better for you, and super versatile. This hack can work for the rest of the year too. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how they turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow cookie lovers. Happy baking, friends! Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.